Snow globes are beautiful and fun for kids to look at, but can be expensive. Today we're going to show you how to make a snow globe using everyday items. This is the Mason jar snow globe. Making a snow globe can be very fun and interesting, but also a little unsafe because we will be using super glue. Super glue can be very tough if it gets on your skin or clothing. Also, today you will be using a mason jar, glitter of color of your choice, a toy of your choice, glycerin, and water. These items can be found at your local CVS, Rite Aid, or Target. These tools will also be used to help make a cute and easy globe to give away. Today, we will be covering the steps on how to properly make a mason jar snow globe. Step 1. Take your mason jar and take off the lid. I suggest laying out paper towels or trash bags to keep this from making a huge mess. After that, you will be picking the toy of your choice. After picking your toy, you will then have to take your super glue and glue it to the bottom of the lid. Step 2. Take the jar and add 1.5 bottles of water. Two cups of glitter. And 5 cups of glycerin. All ingredients can be changed depending on the size of your jar. Next, you will put the lid back on. Lastly, you will take your jar, flip it, shake, and enjoy. These were the steps on how to make a mason jar snow globe. Enjoy!